Hey, 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 party people. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and welcome to a very quick makeup tutorial with my 7 favorite products. So if you watch me very often, you can normally see that I do a full face, and today we're gonna do a full face, but just with a fewer products. So let's hop in. I've already gone in this morning and done my skincare regimen. I'm loving Farm RX and all the great benefits from this natural skincare line. I did some Super Greens Cooling Moisturizer. I did my eye serum, or my face serum, and my eye cream. Bam! Nature's Retinol. Can't beat it. So I've already done all of that, and I have primed my face with my VDL Satin Primer, and we are going to hop in. So today, we're going to do things orders just a little bit differently. I'm doing my Cashmere Complexion Concealer in shade Matcha first. And just going to cover up those under eyes. So with the Farm RX eye cream, it is made with the Barculio root, and it is doing an amazing job wiping away those fine lines around my eyes and those dark bags. So it has made a simpler makeup tutorial so much better. Yes, I love it. I love simple. I'm gonna do a little bit of concealing on this nose. I have had Texas cedar fever set in, and oh my gosh, the nose running is crazy. Crazy. Okay. That little blemish there. Good to go. All right. We are going to do our Cashmere Complexion Powder Foundation today in shade N120. And we're doing it with a dry brush. You can totally wet the sponge and use it wet to dry, but I prefer a brush. So I have a finely compacted buffing brush. This is an Ulta buffing brush. And so I'm just going to pick up that foundation and buff it in. Really pretty simple. It goes on so smoothly, and it has this vegan collagen in it, and it will wipe away, actually kind of not puff, but it fills in, yeah, that's the word, fills in those fine lines and wrinkles, and it really evens out the complexion without like a thick makeup look. So if you are one that you're like, I don't be thinking that I need the thick makeup, this is a great powder foundation for you. Let me know in the comments, have you used a powder foundation, and what are your thoughts? I think you really kind of depends on the person and how much coverage that they choose to have. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to bring that down on the neck just a little bit. My face is red because I've been rubbing it. Okay. All right. So we've got that done. Next, we're going to hop in and we're going to line our brows. So I'm on product number 3, just to let you, actually, I guess we're using 8 if you count my primer. So this is product number 4. I don't really count primer as a makeup step because you can totally prime even if you're not going to put 1 stitch of makeup on. So this is Tattoo Station Brow Pencil in shade Brown. And I'm just going to fill in those brows, make them look a little bit fuller and a little bit bushier. I did trim them down a little bit this weekend because they were getting a little bit hairy. No pun intended. Okay, a little bit bushy. How about that? So I'm just filling in really the natural line of my brows. So if you don't use a brow liner as one of your main steps, why not? What are you waiting for? It is such a great way to frame your face. And I've been talking with some girls and they're like, I just don't feel like a brow liner is a necessity. And here's the thing, some women already have very full plush brows and they don't need it. And I'm like, then you do you, girl. You do you. But I personally think I need a little fill in. Okay, so next product, we are going to do our Glimmer Shadow in shade Moonstone. I love this liquid eyeshadow. It is such a pretty color. And I am going, well, let's just go ahead. We're just going to apply it directly onto the lid. And then I'm going to use a brush to kind of spread it out. It doesn't crack. It definitely stays with you all day. It's not too glimmery. So there's some that have a little bit more glitter in them. This particular Moonstone does not. It is more opaque, I guess is the word we're looking for. So I'm just kind of moving it about on the eyelid with I think this is really a concealer brush I'm using. Yeah. Blending it. There we go. Whoop, girl, yes. Okay. So this is product number, let me count. We did foundation, we did brows, we did concealer, and now we're on eyeshadow. Product number 4. I have to revisit what I've done. So I'm just moving it around on the eye. Here we go. Yes, girl. Simple, simple eyeshadow look. You don't always have to go for a bold 14 different colors. You can really keep it simple and do it just to put a little color on. Okay, next. I have not ever used this eyeliner before. This is Sepia. It's kind of a goldish, a goldish eyeliner. And we're going to use this and see if it makes our eyes pop like I think it will. So normally I am a black eyeliner all the way girl, but I thought, let's play. Let's do something a little bit different today. Okay, so it has a little bit of, it's sepia diamonds. So it has a little bit of sparkle to it, which is okay because it really brings down that moonstone color from the lid of the eye. I think it looks really pretty. Okay, so let's do the top on this side. So this is product number 5. Are you counting with me? Are you counting? Okay. There we go. Let's do some mascara. Finish these eyes off. So that will be product number 6. I love a quick tutorial so you can get out the door and not have to feel like that you have to do like 50 steps. Love mascara. I don't know why. I put it back on crooked. Crooked. There's a Texas word for you. I put it on crooked. So I'm starting at the base of those lashes and just bringing them up. Oh, this is definitely going to make that sepia eyeliner pop. Really just enhancing the natural brown eyes that I have. Totally would rock this with green eyes, even blue eyes, I think. You could totally rock that sepia. We have like something like 16 shades in the glimmer kit or glimmer sticks of different eyeliners that you could try. I think I need to brush the brows down again. They are Definitely saying, hello, we are here. So I did get my vanity set up for my tutorials, and I'm not happy with the background yet. So I'm still working in the lighting on that situation. So hopefully I will be in there soon. I ordered some different lights, different lighting situation, and it will all work out. Okay, so this is looking very natural is what I'm seeing. I don't know. Good morning, Harriet. How are you? Hey, girl, I'm using just like 7 basic products this morning to do a look. What do you think? Okay, we're going to do our VDL Rose Flake Jelly Stick Blush. If you are not using a jelly blush, stick blush, what are you waiting for? It is such great color payoff. It feels so good on your skin, and it just looks like a watercolor. So I'm taking my blush brush and I'm kind of rubbing it back and forth, just buffing it in. I love this jelly stick brush, and this is product number 7. Hold on, and I'll recap for you guys. Guess what? The other thing is you can also use it as a lip balm. Hi, Christina. Hey, girl. Hey. Okay, so it's kind of a muted look, but we're done. 7 products. I know I did that in under 10 minutes. So let me recap what we used, okay? So we started out with our Cashmere Complexion Concealer in shade Matcha. Look at those eyes, girl. We did our Cashmere Complexion Powder Foundation shade N120. Then we did our brows with our Tattoo Station Brow Pencil. Girl, yes. Then we did our Glimmer Shadow in Moonstone. Just used a single color on the eyes. Then my new Bam Glimmer Stick Diamond in Sophia. I think that's how it's said. It's such a pretty color. Okay, then Love Mascara. Finish it off with some VDL Jelly Stick in shade Rose Flake, and use that for the cheeks and the lips. And we have a very simple, ready to go out the door makeup look that you could rock and be able to take with you to run the kids to school, to run your errands, and really feel like, hey girl, you got it all together today. All together. I think these are some of my new favorite shades. What do you think? Oh, let's add in one last thing. Gotta spray and mist. Set that look, girl. Set that look for doing your laundry, for cleaning your house, for going to read books at the school, or whatever you have to do today. You have a very quick, put together, ready to go look. Does the Green Goddess oil help have petroleum in it? No. Green Goddess oil is a very clean, neat product. It is made with mostly hemp leaves, and I think there's like 3 ingredients in it. But no, it does not have petroleum in it. One of my favorites. Definitely helps take that redness out of your skin. So, okay guys, thanks for getting ready with me. Be sure and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video. Let me know if you want to order any of these products. I will fix you up. You can shop on youravon.com/jwoolsey. And be sure that you like and subscribe to Jennifer Woolsey on Facebook and YouTube. So, thanks guys. I hope you have a beautiful day and keep on shining. Bye guys.